coming in.
Oh! Come on, get over here!
Hurry up, come on!
Hey! Ah! Come on! We're about to lose our dredge to another flood!
On Nugget Creek, a storm surge threatens to sink Dustin's dredge.
Holy!
His only hope of saving their season is if the untested skyline and anchors will hold as they try to lift it from the torrent.
Go! Make it work!
Y'all need to stand on the back. Can y'all stand on the back?
Go, 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 go! It'll bounce, hopefully. No, it's not gonna bounce. Stand by! Come on, baby. Don't fall, hold on. Oh, that hurt.
Hot.
Tongue up! Stand by!
We gotta untie that rope, but
I'll cut that bit. Yeah! Lift it, see what happens. Keep going, get out of there, get out of there.
it's because that letting go. Get up of it and push on the back of the flute.
Come on, baby, get up. Keep going, keep going.
Almost. There it goes. I hope that holds.
Get the out of here, we're good. Morning, fellas. Last night was a panic. We haven't been out there yet. We're going to check it out right now, and we're going to go see what the damage is.
Moment of truth, folks. Without the skyline, we're dead in the water.
Anything this creek throws at us, we're going to have to handle it. I'm not letting it get the best of me this year. Held up?
Yep.
I can't believe it held up. Good job, guys. Our job today is crack and drag rocks all day long, so we don't have to do it from underwater. If you're not drilling, you're putting together blasters. The more rocks you crack, the faster we're gonna be in the water.
Yeah, I'll be the powder monkey.
All right, everybody knows what we're doing. Let's go.
Let's get her done.
The entire crew set to work,
This all has to get the hell out of here.
executing Dustin's new mining plan.
All right, going hot. 3, 2, 1.
Damn.
Holy moly, that was some major fly rod, dude.